There's no single way to shade a drawing, and different artists will have their own preferred method. I have more than one depending on the style I'm drawing in, but I'll explain to you the one I use most often. I start with a basic colored drawing with black line art. I make a new shadow layer between these two layers, which I set to multiply, and I turn it into a clipping mask. I then lower the opacity of this new layer to about 40 to 60% and add the shadow color. I get a soft eraser and the lasso tool, which most art programs should have, hopefully. Lasso a section that you want the light to hit, and you can either fully erase the shadow from that section, or erase just a portion of it, creating this sort of gradient. For areas you want really soft lighting, don't even bother to use the lasso tool. Now go to the line layer and lock it, so that when you draw, it's only within the lines. You can either leave the line art as black if you think it looks good that way, or you can use a different color, possibly more than one color in different areas. Now this is an acceptable place to stop, but you can definitely go further. From here it's harder to explain because everything I do is very spontaneous and based on instinct, but it generally involves adding some lighting layers and a darker shadow layer. Just keep experimenting and you'll soon find what works best for you.